finally got hung up on something. So when you get hung up, whatever direction you're in, walk wherever you got direction you got hung up, walk the opposite direction, guys. And you might get lucky and get it loose. If not, yep, see it came loose. That's all you gotta do. 90% of the time it'll come loose, but sometimes they get up in there, it won't come loose. I knew I had one. Swimming off with it. Hope I set the hook right. Look at a good one. Look at a catfish. I like catfish. This joker ain't coming up. That's a bass. And it's a good bass too. Oh. Yeah, I saw you. I got you, boy. I got you. Slowed it down. Once I slowed it down, he came and hit it. And that hook is in there. Dang, did I bring my pliers? Yeah. That's a good bass right here. There's a lot of protein to eat. There you go, guys. That is a good one. I'll say probably 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds maybe. Got to get my selfie, my screenshot here for the gram. And all right, guys, let's get a good release. All right. Listen, if I catch one like that this weekend, it's going to the grease. That's what I'm getting with. That trick worm, guys, in the summertime, looks like a night crawler. They love it. Throw it out there. You throw it out there, guys, let it hit the bottom, and you slowly drag it. Don't pop it. Sometimes you can, but super hot, the water hot, 95 degrees. You can hope you guys can stay well. You just slowly drag, and then you stop. Count to 10 or 20 seconds. Watch your line, because your line will kind of swim off a little bit. You swim off, you set that hook. Slowly drag, stop. Count to 10, 20 seconds. Normally, they'll pick it up and just slowly swim off with it. Set the hook and make it go cross-eyed. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how this trick worm how I work this trick worm, guys, and how it looks in the water when the fish see it. I'm gonna show you guys. So if you can see, this is it. I'll make it a little bit bigger where you can kind of see it in the water. There we go. So once it go in the water, guys, it falls, it kind of stands up. See how it's standing up? And you just pop it. Pop it like that. Or, the way I'm doing it, you just slowly drag it. And see how it look like a worm? I don't know if you guys, I hope y'all can see this. I'm talking, doing the educational part. You see how you dragging it, it looks like a night crawler? And that's why they hit it. That's why they hit it.